Have you ever walked through Pottery Barn and fallen in love with those gorgeous lanterns, only to glance at the price tag and walk away? What if I told you that you can recreate the exact same look for just a few dollars, using simple items from Dollar Tree? Today I'm going to show you how to transform budget-friendly finds into stunning high-end lanterns that look like they came straight out of a designer catalog. Welcome back to Greenhaven Homes, the place where creativity meets affordable living. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found us, and if you've been with me for a while, thank you for joining me again. Get ready, because today's video is packed with viral hacks that will not only save you money, but also elevate your home with timeless Pottery Barn inspired style. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on new DIY transformations. And if you love finding beautiful budget-friendly ways to make your house feel like home, give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who could use some inspiration too. We all dream of having a cozy home, filled with warm lighting and stylish decor, and nothing sets the mood quite like lanterns. They add instant charm, whether they're glowing softly on a dining table, brightening up a porch, or styled beautifully on a mantel. The problem is, those stunning Pottery Barn lanterns can cost anywhere from $50 to well over $100 each. And decorating an entire space with them adds up fast. For many of us, that price tag simply doesn't fit into a realistic home budget. But here's the good news. Style doesn't have to cost a fortune. Dollar Tree has hidden gems, just waiting to be transformed into pieces that rival high-end decor. With a little creativity, some basic supplies, and a few clever tricks, you can make lanterns that look just as elegant, sturdy, and beautiful as the designer ones, all for a fraction of the cost. By the end of this video, you'll not only have the inspiration, but also the step-by-step know-how to create your very own Pottery Barn style lanterns at home. Our first hack is the classic Farmhouse Lantern, one of Pottery Barn's most timeless designs. To create this look, you'll only need a few picture frames from Dollar Tree, some strong adhesive or wood glue, and a can of matte black spray paint. These frames will form the structure of your lantern, giving it that crisp and sturdy design, without spending a fortune. Start by removing the glass from each frame, and setting it aside. Next, glue the frames together to form a box shape, 4 for the sides, and 1 at the bottom for support. Let the glue dry completely before moving on. Once the structure feels solid, spray paint it in matte black for that authentic farmhouse look. After the paint dries, carefully place the glass panels back into each frame to complete the design. For the finishing touch, add an LED candle inside, and watch as your DIY lantern instantly brings a warm, rustic glow to your space. Place it on a coffee table, by the fireplace, or even outdoors on a patio, and you'll see just how close it comes to the original Pottery Barn inspiration. Hack 2: Coastal Rope Lantern. Our second hack brings a breezy coastal vibe right into your home. With a simple rope lantern, for this project, you'll need a clear glass vase or cylinder from Dollar Tree, a roll of nautical rope, and a hot glue gun. These materials may look plain at first, but together they create a lantern that looks like it belongs in a beach house retreat. Begin by securing one end of the rope to the bottom of the glass vase with hot glue. Slowly work your way upward, wrapping the rope neatly around the vase, while gluing it into place as you go. You can choose to cover the entire vase for a bold textured look, or stop halfway to leave some glass exposed for a lighter, more open feel. For a truly coastal touch, lightly brush the rope with a bit of white paint to give it that sun-bleached, weathered finish. Once complete, drop in an LED candle, or fill the base with sand and seashells before adding your light. The soft glow shining through the natural rope texture creates a lantern that feels airy, relaxed, and undeniably expensive. Hack number 3 is the modern geometric lantern, a sleek and stylish design that's perfect for anyone who loves a more contemporary look. For this project, you'll need a couple of Dollar Tree metal wire frames, or even wire waste baskets, a pair of wire cutters, and a can of black spray paint. The beauty of this lantern is in its clean lines and bold, angular shape, which instantly makes it look like a high-end decor piece. Start by trimming and shaping the wire frames to form a geometric structure. Think hexagons or diamonds. Secure the pieces together with a strong adhesive or wire ties until you have a stable sculptural frame. Once your base is ready, spray paint the entire lantern in matte black or metallic gold, depending on your style. Place a glass cylinder inside to hold an LED candle safely, and you've got yourself a chic, modern lantern that looks like it was pulled straight from Pottery Barn's showroom. It's a perfect accent for minimalist interiors, urban apartments, or even an office space that needs a touch of designer flair, without the hefty price tag. Hack number 4 is the rustic wood lantern, a design that captures that cozy farmhouse charm, while feeling sturdy and timeless. For this lantern, you'll need a few wooden craft sticks, or small wooden crates from Dollar Tree, some wood glue, and either a dark wood stain or brown acrylic paint. This project is all about creating a natural rustic finish that looks handcrafted yet high-end. Begin by gluing the wooden sticks or crate panels together to form a tall rectangular lantern frame. Keep the lines simple, with open sides that allow the candle light to shine through. Once the structure is built and dry, brush on your wood stain or paint. For a more authentic look, wipe off some of the stain before it dries to highlight the wood grain and give it a weathered finish. Add a handle on top, using thick twine or a scrap of rope for that extra farmhouse detail. Place an LED pillar candle inside, and instantly you've got a rustic lantern that can sit beautifully on your mantel, your front porch, or even as a centerpiece on your dining table. It has the charm of Pottery Barn, but for just a few dollars. Hack number 5 is the glass and gold Glam lantern, a piece that shines with elegance and sophistication. For this project, gather a few glass picture frames from Dollar Tree, some strong adhesive, and a can of gold metallic spray paint. This lantern is all about clean lines and a polished finish, perfect for adding a touch of luxury to your space. Start by spray painting the frame edges in a rich metallic gold. Once dry, glue the frames together just like we did in the farmhouse lantern, forming a sleek rectangular box. The gold finish immediately elevates the look, making it feel high-end and glamorous. To finish it off, place a tall LED candle, or even a string of delicate fairy lights inside. When the light reflects off the gold trim and glass panels, the effect is stunning, like something you'd find in a designer catalog. This lantern works beautifully as a centerpiece for special occasions, or as a permanent statement piece in any room where you want a touch of sparkle. Hack number 6 is the minimalist white lantern, a design that radiates calm and simplicity. For this project, you'll need a set of picture frames from Dollar Tree, white spray paint, and a can of frosted glass spray. This lantern is inspired by Scandinavian design, clean, airy, and effortlessly chic. Begin by assembling the picture frames into a box shape, just as we did with earlier lanterns. Once the structure is secure, spray the entire frame with a coat of crisp white paint. Next, take the glass inserts and apply a light layer of frosted spray to give them a soft, clouded effect. When you place the frosted panels back into the frame, they diffuse the light beautifully, creating a gentle glow instead of a harsh shine. Add a simple LED candle inside, and you've got a lantern that feels modern, elegant, and tranquil. This style works perfectly in living rooms, bedrooms, or even bathrooms, where you want a touch of cozy minimalism without overwhelming the space. Hack number 7 is the garden lantern, with a planter base, a clever design that combines 2 decor pieces in one. For this project, you'll need a small planter or pot from Dollar Tree, a glass cylinder vase, some faux greenery, and a touch of hot glue. This hack is perfect for patios, entryways, or any spot where you want light and greenery working together. Start by placing the glass cylinder inside the planter, securing it with a bit of glue if needed to keep it steady. Around the base, tuck in faux greenery, moss, or even small seasonal florals to give it a lush decorative touch. Once your base looks full and vibrant, place an LED candle inside the glass cylinder. As the candle light flickers, it highlights the greenery, making the entire piece look like a custom designer lantern you'd expect to see in an upscale garden catalog. The best part is you can easily change the greenery with the seasons, keeping this lantern fresh and versatile year-round. Hack number 8 is the Moroccan-Style lantern, a design full of intricate patterns and exotic charm. For this project, you'll need a Dollar Tree glass vase, or cylinder, metallic paints, a stencil with geometric or floral patterns, and a small brush or sponge for applying the paint. This lantern brings a touch of boho elegance to any room. Start by securing your stencil against the glass and carefully applying the metallic paint over the cutouts. Gold, bronze, or copper tones work best to create that authentic Moroccan feel. Once the paint dries, remove the stencil to reveal delicate decorative patterns on the glass. Place an LED tea light inside the vase, and watch as the light dances through the patterns, casting beautiful shadows around the room. This lantern is perfect for a cozy reading nook, a patio lounge, or even as a centerpiece on a dinner table. It's an instant statement piece that looks far more expensive than it actually costs. Hack number 9 is the seasonal lantern, a versatile design that you can easily update throughout the year. For this project, you'll need a clear glass cylinder or vase, from Dollar Tree, a frame or lantern base, and a variety of interchangeable fillers, like faux flowers, autumn leaves, pine cones, or holiday ornaments. This hack is all about creating one lantern that can adapt to every season. Start by placing your chosen seasonal filler at the base of the glass cylinder. In the fall, use small pumpkins or colorful leaves. In winter, add pine cones or miniature ornaments. In spring and summer, fill it with fresh faux flowers or greenery. Once your filler is in place, position an LED candle inside the glass. The light will shine beautifully through your seasonal display, instantly creating a cozy and festive atmosphere. This is the perfect solution for anyone who loves to decorate year-round, without needing multiple lanterns or spending a fortune. Hack number 10 is the large statement lantern, a bold piece that instantly becomes the centerpiece of any room or outdoor space. For this project, you'll need foam board or lightweight craft wood from Dollar Tree, clear panels or acrylic sheets, strong adhesive, and black spray paint. This lantern is designed to impress, giving you the look of a designer piece without the designer price. Start by cutting and assembling the foam board or craft wood into a tall rectangular frame. Make sure the edges are clean and the structure is stable. Next, attach the clear panels to the sides to allow the light to shine through. Once the frame is secure, spray paint it in black for a sleek, modern finish. Finally, place a large LED candle inside. The result is a dramatic high-end lantern that works beautifully indoors or on a patio. Its size and clean lines make it a real showstopper, proving that even the largest, most expensive-looking lanterns can be recreated on a budget. Now that we've created all 10 lanterns, it's time for the big reveal. Take a moment to line them up together and see just how stunning they all look side by side. From the cozy farmhouse charm to the sleek modern geometric design, the coastal rope, the glamorous gold, and even the Moroccan-inspired patterns, each lantern has its own personality and style, yet they all share that designer look. Imagine these pieces glowing softly around your home, on a coffee table, mantle, patio, or entryway. The minimalist white lantern adds tranquility, the rustic wood lantern brings warmth, and the seasonal lanterns keep your decor fresh and festive all year long. Even the large statement lantern instantly draws the eye, making it feel like a professional designer curated every piece. Each lantern is a reminder that you don't need to spend a fortune to achieve a high-end look. Just a bit of creativity and a few Dollar Tree finds. Take a moment to picture them styled in your own space. You could mix and match different styles to create layers of texture and light, or keep them uniform for a sleek, cohesive display. Either way, these DIY lanterns bring elegance, warmth, and personality to any corner of your home. And there you have it, 10 viral Dollar Tree lantern hacks that look just like Pottery Barn, all created on a budget and with your own two hands. These lanterns prove that style doesn't have to come with a high price tag, and with a little creativity, you can transform simple, affordable items into stunning home decor pieces. I hope you feel inspired to try at least one of these hacks in your own space. Whether you go for the cozy farmhouse look, the sleek modern lines, or the glamorous gold finish, each lantern is a chance to bring a touch of designer elegance into your home. Don't forget to share your creations and tag us. We love seeing how you bring these ideas to life. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Greenhaven Homes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new DIY transformation. And before you go, let me know in the comments which lantern hack was your favorite. I'm always curious to see which style speaks to you the most. Stay creative, keep decorating, and I'll see you in the next video.